If you're trying to watch Amazon Prime Video and you get a VPN or proxy error message, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you some quick and easy things you can do to fix it. Let's start. First, if you see a message saying that Prime detected a VPN or proxy, the simplest solution is to disconnect your VPN, turn it off completely. Then close the Prime Video app and open it again. Sometimes that alone fixes the issue. If that doesn't work, the next step is to check for updates. Go to your app store and see if Amazon Prime Video has any pending updates. Also check if your VPN app has an update available. Outdated apps can sometimes cause connection errors. Now, if you still want to use your VPN, try switching servers. Open your VPN app and connect to a different server in the same country. Avoid choosing very distant locations, because that can trigger more detection issues. After changing the server, reopen Prime Video and try again. Another simple fix is restarting your device. Turn off your smart TV, Fire Stick, phone, or computer completely. Wait about 30 seconds. Then turn it back on and reconnect to your VPN before opening Prime again. If nothing works, clear the Prime Video app cache in your device settings, or log out and log back into your account. Most VPN detection errors are temporary and can be fixed with one of these simple steps. And that's it. Those are the easiest ways to fix the Amazon Prime VPN error. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes.